Imagine this. You're stuck in a rut so deep that even your dreams feel like they've abandoned you. That was me a few months ago, right here in Lahore. But what if I told you there's a way out? A simple step-by-step guide to mastering your mindset in just 7 days. Stay tuned because today we'll walk through my journey and how you can transform your life too. It all started on day 1, awareness. Back then, I didn't realize it, but I was drowning in negativity. Every failure felt like the end of the world. One day, while wandering through Sadar Bazaar, I noticed something strange. Everyone around me seemed busy, selling goods, bargaining, laughing, but I felt invisible. It hit me. I wasn't living, I was surviving. Day 2 was about acceptance. Instead of running from my problems, I decided to face them head on. Sitting by Patriota Lake, I wrote down everything holding me back: fear of failure, self-doubt, procrastination. Writing it out made it real, and once it was real, I knew I could fix it. On day 3, I took action. No more excuses. I applied for an internship at a tech startup in Islamabad. Sure, I was scared. I barely knew anything about coding, but I reminded myself, progress over perfection. Even small steps count when you're moving forward. Day 4 was about affirmations. Every morning, I stood in front of the mirror and repeated phrases like, "I am capable," and "I will succeed." At first, it felt silly, but slowly, those words began to sink in. My mind started believing what my heart already knew. I had potential. By day 5, I realized I couldn't do it alone. Accountability matters. I reached out to my closest friends and shared my goals. Over steaming cups of chai at Coco's Den, we brainstormed ideas and cheered each other on. Having someone believe in you makes all the difference. Day 6 taught me adaptability. Things rarely go as planned, but flexibility is key. During a project review, I realized my initial approach wasn't working. So, I pivoted, presenting a fresh idea that impressed my boss. Sometimes, change isn't scary, it's necessary. And finally, day 7, achievement. After 7 days of hard work, I reached the top. Not just literally, but mentally. Climbing Margalla Hills at sunset, I reflected on how far I'd come. Mastering your mindset isn't easy, but it's worth every step. So what's the lesson here? Your mindset is your greatest asset, or your biggest obstacle. By following these 7 steps: awareness, acceptance, action, affirmation, accountability, adaptability, and achievement, you can master your mindset and unlock your true potential. Remember, success isn't overnight. It's one step at a time. Now it's your turn. Start today. Subscribe for more inspiring stories.